Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Let's Party Favors by Nikki. And as you saw in the title and you see in my hand, today we are going to be creating these graduation fans. It is almost graduation season. My big boy will be graduating and I'm super excited for him to move on to his next journey. And of course I'm super sad as well, but that's neither here nor there. So today we're going to be making another designed fan, not this specific design, but I just want to show you how I actually put it together and assemble it. I will have templates available in my shop and I'll continue to just add templates. I have a few that I need to add and then I may add some more. I'm not sure, we'll see. Just keep looking out on my shop and see what pops up. But let's go ahead and get started to create these fans so you guys can go and make some money this graduation season. Okay, of course, the first things that I like to go over are the material, and we just have a few material for this tutorial. We're gonna need some fan sticks. I purchased them from Amazon. They come in a box like this, a box of 60 for about, it's less than $20, I'm sure, but you get a bunch. You'll need the actual design templates, and since I'm gonna be doing front and back, I have front and back images. While they look exactly the same, the actual chalkboard outline is reversed so that you can do a front and back image. And again, these templates will be available for you. My printer screwed up a little bit. It's like the paper has to be super perfect when it goes inside my printer, otherwise it gets a little wonky and it gives me these marks sometimes. Okay, you also need some scissors, and this tutorial is for those who don't have a cutting machine or prefer to just cut by hand. I don't have a cutting machine. I used to have a Silhouette. I sold it when I moved overseas, and then when we moved back, I haven't purchased another one. I purchased a CRICUT Joy, but it's kind of small, so I can't actually cut out images like this. I can cut out stickers and very small images, anything that can fit in a 4x6 rectangle. But I will be getting a larger CRICUT in the near future because I'm not gonna be cutting all of these out, but just wanted to make it so that everybody had the opportunity to create these even without having a cutting machine. Okay, and you're gonna also need a glue gun, and I've showed this before in some of my previous videos, and I also have this zip dry. Or you can use glue tape or any other type of glue that you have. And that's all you need for this project. First things first, we are gonna go ahead and cut out these images. You'll see if you decide to buy any of my templates, I kind of made the background pretty easy to cut out so that it doesn't have any, tricky, I don't know, points, and the edges just look, they're pretty basic and easy for you to cut. I don't know what words I'm trying to say. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out these images. Again, it's a super simple frame, so it's gonna be easy to cut out for you all. Whereas this one is a little different, but I decided to go ahead and shift all the numbers to the middle and shift the name up so that you just have the outline, so it's easier and you don't have to worry about reversing the images or anything like that. So we're just gonna cut these images out. And again, this would be so much simpler with a paper cutter, and you would be able to create more at once. But alas, we're doing it old school with the scissors, and you see that didn't take very long just to cut out the image. And look how cute this is. Look at my little AI cutie. And then you're gonna cut out the other side. And with my templates, you'll be able to change the name, of course, the school logo. I think I forgot to put the school logo on this side, but it's right here. The school logo, the name, and that's about it. Everything, and of course the picture of the child. Everything else, it's a part of the image, and you're not going to be able to change that. But also, these templates are not that difficult to make, but if you want to save time, you can just head to my digital download shop and download some templates. Or if you rather just that I create the fan for you, I can do that as well. Sorry, you probably hear some noise in the background. My family's always doing something in the kitchen. All right, so that was super simple. Okay, so you see how they line up perfectly? Well, as perfect as they can be cutting with scissors. So we're gonna go to the next step after that. Oh, got the little logo. It's okay though. Okay, as usual, I brought you guys in a little closer so you're not gonna see my face most likely. You might see my chin, but I really just want you guys to focus on the actual assembly process. So the first thing that we're gonna do, make sure your glue gun is all warm. If you have a wired glue gun, you don't have this issue, but with the wireless glue guns, well, at least mine, it takes some time to warm up. But the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put some glue on this fan stick, and we're gonna glue it right in the middle, just like that. So just like you're gonna have half of it sticking out. So it'll look like that, okay? So you're just gonna glue it on the top half. I'm only gonna glue it on that side right now. And then once I put the top on, I'll put some more, okay? All right, look at that. It's done. Now, you wanna make sure that it's sturdy. You don't wanna sell a stick or a fan that's not sturdy. That's why you need the backing. You don't have to use the same backing. You can actually use just like a cardboard piece of paper as well. So that's what we have so far. Now, I'm gonna go in with, you can use your glue to either go around or any type of glue, but I'm gonna use this zip dry. Just because sometimes the glue gun, it dries really fast. So I'm just gonna put this around the edges. Make sure that's peeled off, because sometimes it leaves a little crusty piece. And you'll see, I'm not gonna put it all the way to the bottom just yet, because I need to make sure that I leave room so I can glue the other half of my stick. I'm just gonna put some in the middle. All right, I got glue everywhere. And I'm also I'm gonna put some glue right here, but I'm gonna do that afterwards, after I start putting this other layer on. It looks like my glue gun is drooling. So just line it up to the best of your ability. Of course, again, when you use scissors, it may not be perfect. But if you have a cutter, it'll be a little better. All right, so I'm not gonna glue it all the way down just yet, because I wanna go ahead and put some glue on the other side of the stick. Oop. Let me turn it around so you can see it. And you see my zip dry is still on there. It hasn't dried completely yet. All right, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and use this glue gun to go around the bottom. Okay. And just kind of maneuver it so that it is aligned as perfectly as possible. And that's why I like to use another type of glue that's not the actual glue from the glue gun, because it allows for some maneuverability. Especially when you're using the scissors, it may not be perfect. But y'all, listen, it's done. How quick and easy is that? I do have some little glue pieces I just have to rub off. Oh my goodness. All right, let me zoom out a bit so you guys can see. It's still drying, so I won't do too much, but it dries pretty quickly. It's called Zip Dry, and I got it from Amazon also. And I'll link it in the box below. My glue gun is drooling, but oh my God, how cute is this? It actually works. So there you have it. That's the quickest and simplest tutorial that I've ever done. Look at Grayson, how cute is he? How cute is this fan? Anyway. It's graduation season, y'all. As always, thanks so much for watching. And if you feel so inclined, I would love for you to hit that subscribe. Go ahead and leave a comment, tell a friend, share, save this for the future, because graduation season is around the corner and these fans are a good and quick money maker for you all. So stay tuned for my next video and have a wonderful day.